Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got an unboxing for you and it is a Lookfantastic limited edition. I'm very excited for this one. I didn't know what it was, and so I ripped open the box and I was like, because I had my Lookfantastic box and I wasn't expecting anything else. And this one arrived, so I haven't opened it yet. I'm very excited. If you don't know, Lookfantastic send me these in PR for free to open, but all opinions are honest and my own, because what's the phrase? No one likes a bullshitter. Might get that on a t-shirt. Should I make that on a t-shirt? I might make that on a t-shirt and a bag. I'm not sure yet. So yeah, this is the Idols collection box. Beautiful pink box. You can buy this on their website now for £95. £95? Let me check I've got it up. £95. The content is worth 192, so you're saving nearly £100 by buying it this way. Lookfantastic also do a beauty box, which is monthly, starts at £15 a month, and it gets slightly cheaper if you subscribe, like on a 3, 6 or 12 month subscription. I do have a discount code which I'll put on the screen for you guys now, which can save you money off a subscription. But yeah, if I can find a discount code for this, I'll get one, but I don't think there is one. But let's jump in. So it says, all the best heroes are ordinary people who do extraordinary things. So that's that. I think at the moment that is all of our key workers in the UK, whether that is doctors or nurses or NHS staff or supermarket workers or bin men ladies, post people, everyone that is keeping the country going through this absolute horse shit that we are going through at the moment. So they are the heroes at present, in my eyes anyway. All the key workers. And all the mums who are stuck at home with the kids, because it is hard. No other generation has had it like this. So we're all bloody amazing. You and me, we're all amazing. So let's get into the box. This is what it looks like. It's beautifully packed. I love it. It's like Tetris of skincare. Beautiful. So I'm not sure if everything says it on it, but if it's cruelty free, I'll tell you if it says. If not, then I'll research it afterwards and I'll put it on the screen for you guys. And I'll also put the prices on, how much every single thing is worth. So the first thing I'm going to pull out is Dermalogica, and it is a multivitamin power recovery mask. Cruelty free, professional grade skincare by the International Dermal Institute, formulated without artificial colours or fragrance. I've never seen this product before. Obviously I know who Dermalogica are, but I've never seen this product before. Ultra replenishing mask helps rescue stressed aging skin. Apply after cleansing as an ultimate remedy for dulling, dry, dehydrated, lackluster, photo damaged skin and skin aging. That sounds amazing. That sounds like something I need to get on my face. Let's have a look. Is it sealed? Not sealed. The packet was, but this bit wasn't. Yeah, there's no smell to it. I don't want to waste it because it's only a little one. This is 15ml. I think you'll probably get like 2 masks out of this, depending how big your face is, 2, maybe 3. I'm not sure how long you're supposed to, how thick you're supposed to put it on. But it says, powerful concentrated vitamins A, C, E and F help skin recover from damage that leads to skin aging while enhancing barrier properties. Contains our exclusive Age Smart complex to help control skin aging at the source. Apply generously to cleanse face and throat, avoiding the eye area, and after 10 to 15 minutes, gently yet thoroughly rinse with warm water. Apply once a week. So that's nice. And again, I'll put the prices of these on the screen. Kate Somerville, Hollywood's 2-minute facial, intensive exfoliating treatment. That is that. It says, use AM or PM, use once or twice a week, apply a thin layer to a clean wet face and massage in circular motions for 30 seconds. Leave on for up to 2 minutes. Rinse and gently pat dry. This product may cause skin to tingle and flush slightly for a short time. For sensitive skin, leave on for less than a minute. Ooh, that sounds exciting. I don't know if this is cruelty free. Again, I'll put it on the screen. That sounds awesome. I love a bit of like an exfoliating mask. That sounds lovely. Next, we've got some dry shampoo. This is Living Proof Perfect Hair Day. Yeah, everyone knows how to use dry shampoo, so that's always nice to have. I I'm not gonna lie, I have used dry patch shampoo so much in the last year, just when it's been a long day and the kids have been a pain, and rather than wash my hair, I've just been like, no, I'll use dry shampoo in the morning. That's lovely. Next, I've got something from Ren. Oh, there's two things from Ren I've just seen. This one is an Evercalm Global Day Protection Cream, cruelty-free, blackcurrant seed oil, sea buckthorn berry oil, and camellia oil. Ooh, no parabens, no sulfates, no detergent, no mineral oil, no petroleum, no synthetic fragrance, synthetic colours. Wow, this looks really good. What does it say? A moisturiser formulated for sensitive skin to help combat skin discomfort can lead to visible premature aging. The formula replenishes the skin for a newly healthy glow. Results enriched with the complex in protection complex. It leaves the skin hydrated and protected from free radicals. It's for sensitive skin, delicate skin, skin affected by pollution. Massage onto face and neck until absorbed. That looks really cool. I always like Ren's packaging. Let's have a look and see if it smells of anything, because it's got like the blackcurrant seed oil in it. Oh, I like it. Looks fancy. Oh, it's whistling at me. Get out. There is a smell to it. It's not, it's a nice smell. It's not overpowering, but it is there just for anybody. I know some people just absolutely hate fragrance in skincare. But that, I think that's really nice. It's not like a kick you in the face smell, but it is scented. Let's look at the little Ren one now. I've got a little teeny tiny 5ml sample, Evercalm Overnight Balm. At night, melt balm with fingertips and gently massage onto your skin. That sounds cool. How thick is it? It's all sealed. Let's have a look. I don't want to waste it because it's only a tiny bit. Oh my god, it literally looks like a proper little balm. Like, that's not going anywhere. Oh, I don't want to waste it. Go back in. It feels like a lip balm, like a solid lip balm. Oh, that's interesting. Next, I've got Murad, and this is a Retinol Youth Renewal Night Cream. Cruelty-free. I always do feel like Lookfantastic are quite good with their cruelty-free stuff. Some boxes aren't, but do big up Lookfantastic. They always seem to use nice cruelty-free brands, which I appreciate a lot. And I know a lot of other people do as well. So this looks cool. Yeah, Murad Resurgent Retinol Youth Cream. Where's the instructions? Nourishing retinol cream visibly improves firmness and radiance, minimises lines and deep wrinkles, evens tone and hydrates, rapidly renews while being gentle enough for nightly use with the retinol. Yeah, use in the evening all over face and neck. You'll get results after 4 weeks. Lightweight finish melts into skin. I will put on the screen what retinol does and why you should have it in your skincare routine. I love packaging like this. So it's like that. And then you give it a minute. Oh, there she comes out, look. Does it smell? Put some anti-aging into my arm. There is a slight smell. Oh, that's lovely. That's really nice, but that is very, very... It just smells clean more than anything. Oh my god, that smells amazing. I'm excited to use that tonight. That is awesome. Very excited for that. And then the last thing is a massive box, and it is a AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser by Murad. This is a huge bottle. This is 200ml. Intensive triple action exfoliator with proprietary blend of salicylic acid, lactic and glycolic acids, polishes away dull, dry skin without irritation, reveals smoother texture and a brighter, younger complexion. Massage a small amount over the dampened face and neck, rinse with warm water and pat dry. For optimal results, use 2 to 3 times a week. Oh, so it's not an everyday cleanser because it's exfoliating, but that is a massive bottle. That is huge. That is going to last you bloody ages. And that's sealed as well. Let's have a look at this. again, that just smells really nice and clean. There's nothing, there's not floral or anything about it. It just smells nice and clean. Again, I'm very excited to try that. I will have a little try of these in the next couple of weeks, and then I will pin a comment down below and let you guys know each product, how I feel, if it's worth the money, what it's like, how my skin's reacted. My skin is kind of like dry to sensitive. I very rarely get spots unless I leave makeup on. I'm not like prone to like oil or anything, but I do like anti-aging stuff just because I am getting old and I want to keep everything as smooth as possible for as long as I can. So yeah, I will pin a comment down below. So that was the box. Oh, I thought that was amazing. The only thing I don't know if it was cruelty free is these two, but I will put them on the screen. Everything else is cruelty free, which I absolutely love. And yeah, the total value is £192 and you can get the box for £95. So yeah, if you like these videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all very, very soon. Bye guys.